Hello, hi everybody. This is Midnight here. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Smartwatch 46 millimeter. I've been waiting to get this watch for a very long time, and I cannot wait to unbox this. I am so excited, everyone. So I got my trusty knife, and we're going to unbox this. Here we go, guys. Here's the Samsung Galaxy Watch, and it's the 46 Bluetooth. And this is the 46 millimeter. And on the side here, we have long battery life, auto fitness and wellness tracker, supports 39 workout and swim ready resistant. Time to unbox this. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. There's the watch, and see what we got inside the box. We have the charge adapter. Here we have the power adapter and the charge cord. So I have to set this watch up. So I'll be right back. I'll be right back after I set this beautiful watch up. Hello, hi everybody, this is Midnight here, and I thought I got my watch all nice and set up, and I thought I'd show you guys this beautiful watch. It is really beautiful and pretty, but it is expensive, guys. This is a $300 watch, but it is very beautiful, as you can see. And the bezel, this is the bezel around it, and you use this to navigate through the watch. This watch has tons of features. It keeps track of your heart rate, your steps, and how many calories you burn while you're wearing it. Your contacts. You can listen to music on here. You can it keeps track of the date and the time. And like I said, how many calories you burn, your heart rate. I could even control my TV with this watch, which is really cool. I would say this is a very, very nice watch after setting it up. I will do a review on this watch, but I just want to show you this watch, what it looks like fully set up, and everything else. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Galaxy smartwatch, 46mm, and I will be redoing a review on it a week later. Okay, yeah, like I said, it's a very nice watch, and if you want to get one, I will put the link in the description on Samsung's and where you can get it, Best Buy or Walmart. Okay, everyone, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Help us hit 3,000 subscribers, because we're just about there. And go follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Also go support us on Patreon. There's tons of perks on Patreon that you guys, if you support me on there, you get wonderful perks on this channel. Okay, may the spirit of the wolf be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. Okay, everyone, bye.